One problem with having an interesting clocks is twice a year you've got to go round and change them all. So I'm getting an early start. Don't need to change them until 2 o'clock in the morning or something. But anyway, this one needs to go to 11 o'clock, and that one needs a battery. Well, just swap that battery from one of my old collection of batteries. So these have got to be expiry date 2018. Yeah, I probably ought to treat myself to some fresh ones. Anyway, that's working for now. I'll set the date on it, time on it in a minute. I'm not sure if I can remember how to set that one. That'll be those buttons in there. Okay. Done. Now that one. Done. A little one over there. You have to poke it out through that little hole there so you can get to the adjustment. And it's just the usual, pop that up and turn the hands. Done. That goes back in there. That's the one I get paranoid about touching because it stains easily. Right, that one you may notice is a backwards one. Done. It's just the usual little clock mechanism, just that one turns backwards. Right, out here in the conservatory we've got that one, 2 there, 1 there, that one, and that one. Done that one, done that one, done that one, done those 2, done that one. Now we've got to do that one, which for the time is not too bad. Going the way we're going, forwards. When you want to go backwards, you've got to step all the way through. It's a real pain. You can't turn it backwards or anything, and the date goes wrong as well if you turn it the wrong way. But time is actually quite simple. It's just the normal dial there, and these are for setting the dates, numerals. So that one's done. Now we got the one on the oven and that one up there. Right, the oven. Clock there. I have to check what time it actually is. It must be about 23:25 now. We'll go to 25 anyway. That'll do. Just checked. It's 23:27. That's okay. That one's just an ordinary one. Just the ordinary dial on the back. So I've done that one. Another one. This is the downstairs toilet. Again, that's a nice simple, just turn the dial one. Done. I think it was last year was the first time I noticed that the centre actually turns. And I think I put that little white dot on it to make it obvious. Stairs bathroom, this one. Set button there, and then adjust up and down. We don't bother trying to change the time on here, on the boiler. We just advance it by whatever we want. Spare bedroom. That clock there runs off that rechargeable battery that is permanently being recharged by that solar panel. And that meter is there permanently, so I can switch it on and check the condition, but I haven't done that for a year or so. So that one's okay. This one's pretty old. Can't remember how many years we've had this. But this one, I should just have to, let's turn the light on. I should just have to press, where is it? Oh, there we are. Summertime. And that should jump it. There we go. Just jumped it forwards an hour. And then at the other end of the year, you just press it again, and it goes back the other way. So that's handy. Right, we've got 1, 2, 3. And that one, which projects on the wall there when the lights are out. So I'll see if I can remember how to do this one. Yeah, it'll be that button there that says time set. Right, done that one. That thing should set itself at some time. That one's just an ordinary dial turn. Done. Right, that one looks like it's pressed the time button. Nope. Time and hour? Yeah, time and hour. Okay, done that. This one, there's a slider on the bottom. Move it to time set and then press the adjustments. Yep, that was easy enough. Move the slider to time set and then press the hour button. Stepped it forwards an hour. Right, in my workroom, that one needs a battery in it anyway. The others look like they're keeping time all right, and they're all straightforward. Just turn the dial on the back. So that's those 5, that one there, and that one up there that's a bit difficult to get to. So that one's done. 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 Did I already say that one was done? I think I did. I thought I'd finished. I just spotted another one. I'd forgotten about that one. How did I forget about that one? And that one, the adjustment's on the bottom there. Up, down, set. Yeah, okay. One of those ones you keep pressing the set button. So that's it. Do that again. Hours, minutes, year, month, day. Done. Right, I think that means the only one left to do is the one in the car. I don't think that does itself. So we'll worry about that tomorrow when we go driving. Well, I thought I'd done, but then there's that camera, all of those action cameras, action camera, action camera, action camera, mini cameras. Those ones you actually have to change a text file on the memory card. So I don't think I'll worry about any of them at the moment, because I usually have to reset them when I come to use them because the batteries have run down anyway. So yeah, there's still about another 10 clocks minimum if we look at all the cameras that have dates and times on them. That'll do. Well, I just checked my camera and the date and time's already right, so I obviously didn't reset it earlier in the year. Okay, I sat and did the action cameras. So that's one on my hat camera. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 action cameras. I didn't realise I had 8. Main camera, Canon SX60HS, and Victure wildlife camera. That's not a camera, that's a speed meter thing that sets itself from the satellites. I think that's it. As I say, there's still the car to do. Don't worry about that. Right, I'm on a bit of a roll here. I might as well do them all. So we've got 2 SQ11s to do. You have to connect them to your computer. Screen comes up. File called time, which my camera's having trouble seeing. Then you edit that to today's date. 3rd month 03, day 31, time 00:18. That'll do. The Y indicates you do want the date stamp on the camera. So you just save that back again, and that should be saved to the file in there. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.